Hi there, hope you're doing good. This is Sajid, and I'm here with an Excel automation in which we are like a sort of mail merge. We are taking the data from an Excel file and filling it in a template with some images and some conditional and some custom formatting. We'll be using two images to get insert into the template as well. Let me open the file first. So this is our Excel file. Let me go to the Word file, and this is our template. So this will be our template, and we have two images to insert, which I'll be modifying. So these are the two random images. These are the two images we'll be putting inside our template and creating the PDF. And currently you can see there are two images, one Excel and one PDF, one Word file. Once we are completed with the automation, we will be having two more files. Okay, so let's get started. So you know the drill. So this is the first dashboard here, and here you can add some details to about it so that you can have a good look at it. You can add the email address as well. Sorry, the web link as well. Currently it's empty and it's a dummy one. And to navigate to the SA1 and SA2 testing results or testing entry data entry, you can click on this and it will take you to here. And then there will be a three navigation button which you can use to navigate back to the system, or you can directly go to the SA2 or SA1 from here as well. So we can hide the bottom tag as well. So you will be having a feel of a report. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, you need to enter the data maybe for one or two tests. Currently, I saw that there was only one test available, so I just created these random values. If I'll clear it, you will see only one line, but I'll keep it random. And you will see once I'll make a change in the Excel sheet, it will show me some random numbers for the test number 2. All right, having said that, you can see the chart 2 is there, and you have the button for generate document on SA1 and SA2. So you can create the document from anywhere, from SA1 or from SA2. So without wasting time, let's get started. So we have two results for the SA1, two test results, and for SA2 we have two test results. So all the blue cells are your input, manual input cells, and here you can enter the time and the depth for test 1, test 2, and test 3. And when you scroll down, you can see the two charts in here. Okay, so all the above related data will go in here. So this is here we will be having the first chart, the data will get filled in. So for this soil description and the depths, you have these three boxes in here, and we will be using only three, I guess. If you need to have more, you can let me know so that we can make the changes. I have to add the in the code as well. But I think this is the format. So you might want to like at the top reading, middle reading, and the bottom reading. Then similarly, here are the notes which will be going in this table, and I'll show you shortly. And the gray cell is showing here that this is coming directly from the pit size. So I'm using these values to create this list. So if you can tell me something like if I can create this list as well automatically. So you just need to enter the text in here. So whatever the text you will be entering in here, this will go into the Word file, and that's all. So these are your blue colors manual inputs. I think this should be blue as well because these are your manual inputs as well. So let's make those blue. Okay, so now once you have entered all the data, you can click on this generate document. Let me get started. So if I'll click on it, it will show you that it's processing. It will take around 10 to 12 seconds to get complete. And once it's complete, it will take you back to the SA1 sheet. And then you can go to the folder, and let me show you the folder. Shortly, there will be files in here. It should be completed. I have tested it up so many times. Oh, okay, I'll run it again, no problem. Let's see why it is taking more than the expected time. This happens whenever you are working and you are testing the things always go sideways. Okay, let me pause the recording. Okay, let's keep recording, no problem.